What the hell? Oh, come on!
Dude, what happened to you?
Bro, you look like a giant blueberry.
Stop recording me! This isn't funny! Turn that off!
I swear to God, this isn't a joke. Whoever did this is gonna pay. Look at.
Well, Merry Christmas to me. Are you kidding me? On Christmas?
Yeah, I am reporting this! These guys are scammers! I just walked up and the damn box blew up in my face! I want charges! This is bullshit! Look at me! Look at me! You think this is funny? My whole truck is blue! My clothes are ruined! This is a setup!
Sir,
I'm telling you, the thing just detonated! I didn't steal anything!
Yeah, thanks for the free stuff. Ah! Whoa!
Are you kidding me? This is insane! Ugh.
Yeah, free package for me today. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me?
Haha, easy pickup! Thanks, suckers! Yo, what the hell? What is this crap? You guys are freaking scammers!
Bro, what the hell? My face is burning. Yo, what you put in here? Oh, it's in my eyes, man. This ain't funny. Easy win. Thanks for the donation. Yo, what is this crap? You people crazy?
Man!